Enjoy the view of this 2019 Ford Transit. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sleek and modern Transit. This comfortable, convenient wagon can seat between 2 and 15 passengers and offers a host of options to choose from so you can adapt it perfectly to meet your needs. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, electronic stability control, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Move people and cargo like a pro in this customizable Transit. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.